Good day, everyone. Today we're embarking on a journey to boost our credit scores and unlock greater financial opportunities. Your credit score is not set in stone. There are actionable steps you can take to enhance it and secure a brighter financial future. Let's kick things off with one of the most impactful strategies: maintaining a stellar payment history. As we've discussed previously, your payment history accounts for a significant portion of your credit score. Making timely payments on all your credit accounts is crucial for demonstrating reliability and trustworthiness to lenders. In addition to payment history, another key strategy is managing your credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limits. By reducing your utilization ratio, you can positively impact your credit score. Furthermore, consider the length of your credit history. While you can't change the past, you can focus on building a positive credit history moving forward. Keep older accounts open as they contribute to the length of your credit history and demonstrate your credit worthiness over time. Remember, improving your credit score is a journey, not a sprint. It requires diligence, patience, and responsible financial habits. By following these strategies consistently, you'll be well on your way to achieving a higher credit score and unlocking greater financial opportunities. Keep learning with us.